A new era is about to begin at the Bahamas Power and Light Company as new equipment is expected to dramatically impact the level of service provided to consumers. A company official says it will mean more investment in B.P.L's Family Island facilities and greater reliability of services throughout the country. Cleopatra Murphy has more.
7 new multi-million-dollar Wärtsilä engines and generators purchased by Bahamas Power and Light that are expected to ultimately lower the cost of electricity will be transported to the Clifton Pier plant. B.P.L's Director of Public Relations, Quincy Parker, explained some of the benefits of the new 50 DF engines.
They're tri-fuel engines, which means they burn 3 different types of fuel: the heavy fuel oil, the light fuel oil, and when LNG becomes available in the Bahamas after the Shell plant is built, then they'll also be capable of burning LNG.
B.P.L signed a contract with the Finnish company back in March to install a new 132 megawatt engine power plant at Clifton Pier with a $95 million price tag. The new high-efficiency engines are set to replace aged engines that have been in operation since the 1980s. Parker says there will be significant benefits.
At new station, which will be at Station A at the Clifton Pier Power Station, will be burning our most fuel-efficient engines and giving us the highest output from all of our engines. And that will be the first energy that we are feeding to the grid.
He says the increase in overall efficiency and increase in fuel efficiency as a result of the new equipment will drive the cost of energy down.
They will also provide stability and provide the option, well, not the option, they will allow us to stop needing rental generation on such a scale here in New Providence.
According to Parker, B.P.L currently spends nearly $2 million per month to rent power generators. He says the new engine should be installed around the end of September, when B.P.L will be able to stop renting generators. With the new equipment now on island, Parker says transportation of the 7 generators and 7 engines to the Clifton site will begin Tuesday night around 9 p.m., with 2 generators transported per night.
This week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday for the last one, there will be along the route that we have already published. We're not anticipating any interruptions in traffic or any necessity for road closures associated with the transfer of the generators this week. Next week is when the engines are going to be transferred.
Parker says the new equipment is a game changer for B.P.L, that due to savings will be able to focus more resources on transmission and distribution. Cleopatra Murphy, 7S Network News.